So welcome to all. Now I am going to start the 7th standard maths. In the previous class I have done that exercise 3.3, saying that I have finished up to sum number 3. Okay, first one 3 Roman letter, second one and third one I have done on that. Now we move on to question number 4 in exercise 3.3, question number 4. Show that x plus 2y whole square minus x minus 2y whole square. Okay, show that x plus 2y whole square minus x minus 2y whole square equal to 8xy. 8xy. So now we have to show this. From left hand side one of the equation is given, and in right hand side you have to prove this answer as 8xy. So if you want to take this as a square and this as b square, then it will be easy for you. Otherwise you have to expand the formula according to your wish. According to your wish, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. இது எல்லாத்தையுமே என்ன பண்ணோம், a ஸ்கொயரா கன்சிடர் பண்ணோம். இது எல்லாத்தையுமே என்ன பண்ணோம், b ஸ்கொயரா கன்சிடர் பண்ணோம். அப்போ உனக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். என்ன a ஸ்கொயர், so this will be compared as a square minus b square. This whole thing is called as a. This whole thing is called as b. Whole thing is called as b. இப்போ இந்த ஃபார்முலாவை எக்ஸ்ட்ராண்ட் பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்கும், a plus b and a minus b. a plus b and a minus b. Can you able to follow? Okay, இதை வந்து இந்த மாடல் இப்போ இது வந்து இந்த மாதிரி எழுத பாரு, எப்படி சொல்லிட்டு பாரு. Okay, think this as a square and this as b square. What is that? X plus 2y whole square minus x minus 2y whole square equal to, what is a? X plus 2y. What is b? X minus 2y. X minus 2y. Now I return a plus b. Now a minus, what is that? A minus b. So what is, I have to write that same x plus 2y. Here instead of plus you have to write minus x plus 2y, because this will be a minus. Minus with this minus, minus with this plus. Okay, so after that what is of cancel, 2y and 2y cancel. One will be a plus 2y, another will be a minus 2y, and this whole thing will be what, 2x. Whole thing will be what, 2x. Here plus x and minus x will cancel, plus x and minus x will cancel. So what will be there, 4y. Okay, 2y plus 2y, 4y. Can you able to follow this? Okay, now you have to multiply. 2 4s are 8, so 8xy. 2 4s are 8, x is there and y is there. So you have to tell that 8xy. So that is the answer the question is asked to prove. Okay, so left hand side is given. The question is asked to prove this as in this model. Okay, this is one of the way. Innor way, or this sum can also do in some other method. How? Take this as a plus b whole square and this as a minus b square. So we'll get a different answers and solve it. Now, but this will be easy for you. So this whole thing is take it as xa and this whole thing is take it as b. So represent as a square minus b square. You know that formula, if the term is like this, a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so what is a now? X plus 2y. What is b now? X minus 2y. Now follow this. A plus b. A plus b. Then a minus b. When you put a minus b, the sign will be changed. because minus into x minus into minus plus. So now it will be easy for you. Okay, so can you possible to understand this? Now move on to question number 5. In the question number 5, listen. The pathway of a square paddy field has 5 meter width and length of its side is 40 meter. Find the total area of the path. Use suitable identity. One of the square is there. ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் பாக்ஸ் இருக்கு, அதை சுற்றி என்ன இருக்கு? பாத். What is the length of the square? 40. Length of the square already is given. Okay, the length of its side A is given as 40 meter. Okay, width of the path is given. Path is equal to how much? 5 m. Okay, for example, you take as a square ground. Okay, if you have playground, square ground, அதில் சுற்றி என்ன இருக்குது? பாக்ஸ் மாதிரி இருக்கும். அந்த பாக்ஸோட லென்த்து பிரெத் எல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 40, பிகாஸ் ஸ்கொயர் வில் பி காமன் ஃபார் ஆல் த 4 sides. ஸோ அதை சுற்றி என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்க? 5 மீட்டர் பாத் போட்டிருக்காங்க. 5 meter path. For example, this is 5 meter and this one is 5 meter. Then what is this length will become? 40 plus 2, 5 will be what? 50. Okay, this length will be 40 and 5 meter is added for path and 5 meter is added for path. Then what is the outer rectangle? 40 plus 10 will be there 50. Can you able to follow that? Okay, and what the question has to find? Find the total area of the path. Total area of the path. So you have to find out that area of the path. Area of the path equal to, what is it? Area of outer square minus area of inner square. Okay, area of outer square minus area of inner square. Area of inner square. Can you able to follow this? Okay, so what is be the area of outer square is what? So for take example A, this will be what? A will be 50. A will be 50. Okay, A into A minus A into A. Then what is capital A? 50. What is small a? 40. How we can split this as 50 square, 40 square, 40 square and 50 square. Okay, the side of the bigger square is 50. Okay, the side value of smaller square will be 40. So how we can split this? 50 plus 40, then 50 minus 40. A square minus B square. இது எந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம்? A square minus B square. அதுக்கு எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? A plus B and A minus B. You can split like this. In the same way only I have written here. So look at the concept what I written. 50 square minus 40 square. 50 square will be what? 2 times. 40 square is what? 2 times. Why? Because you have studied in the earlier session, area of square will be what? Side into side. Side into side. Okay, we have taken bigger side as 50 and smaller side as 40. Can you able to follow this? Okay, now 50 plus 40 will be 90. Then 50 minus 40 will be what? 10. So when you multiply that, 900. What is that? 900. So area of the path will be 900 meters square. Okay, so 90 into 10, 900. So that is the answer for the question number 5. So the path of the square paddy field, paddy na நெல் விவசாயம் பண்ணக்கூடிய கிரவுண்டில் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, இந்த மாதிரி ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அதோட லென்த் வந்து 40 மீட்டர், சுற்றி 5 மீட்டர் பாத் இருக்குது. அதை எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணால் the land will become as 50 meter. You have to find out the area. Next we move on to next subdivision called as challenging problems in the same exercise. Challenging problems, question number 6 in the same exercise. Question number 6. If x is given as a square minus 1, y is given as 1 minus b square, 1 minus b square, then find x plus y and factorize the same. Okay, find x plus y, find x plus y and factorize the same. How we have to factorize? See, the question asks to find what? X plus y. What is x? A square minus 1. What is b? That is y. Y will be 1 minus b square. 1 minus b square. Substitute the value of a and substitute the value of b. In place of x, substitute this. In place of y, you have to substitute this. Plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. So what is the balance now? A square minus b square. Okay, so x plus y is what? If we expand this, what will we get? A plus b and a minus b. So this is the value of what? X plus y. A plus b and a minus b. So this is the question number 6. Can you able to follow this? So one more time I'll repeat it. Look at it. Question number 6. Okay, x is given like this, y is given like this. The question asks to find x plus 5. X plus 5. So I have written x plus y. In place of x you write this. In place of y you write this. When you add plus 1 minus 1 will cancel. Remaining will be a square minus b square. So in that a plus b and a minus b. So this is the answer for what? X plus y. Now question number 7. Question number 7. What will be that? Find the value of. Find the value of x minus y, x plus y and x square plus y square. X square plus y square. So how we can split this and concept? Okay, how you will produce this? X minus y and x plus y. You have to split x square plus y square. So if we expand this, what are the answers you will get? See, look at this. Think that a minus b and a plus b. Think that a minus b and a plus b. Then how we can write like this? இந்த மாதிரி இருக்குது, இந்த மாடலில் இருக்குது, இந்த மாடலில் இருக்குது. In place of a, x. In place of b, y. How we can split this? This can be split like this. So therefore x square minus y square. This will be x square plus y square. Now you think that this is a minus b and this is a plus b. So after splitting that, x power 4 minus y power 4. So this is the answer. You have to follow the question number 7th one. So think that this is a minus b and this will be a plus b and this will be x square plus y square. X square plus y square. After adding these two things, okay, so after adding these two things, what will we get? That x square minus y square, x square plus y square. So after adding the term, a new concept you will get that x power 4 minus y power 4. So this is the question number 7. Now we move on to question number 8. So question number 8. So on the page number 70, look at the textbook. Simplify 5x minus 3y whole square and minus 5x plus 3y whole square. So this is also what we had done in earlier method also is possible. The question number 4, what we had done in 4. Okay, so how we had done in the fourth question, same model you have to proceed it. Question number 4th, the exercise la eppadi povam adhu vera term irundhuchu inga vera term irukku avladhaan. Okay, so think this as A and this as B. Okay, so A வந்து என்னது 5x minus 3y. Think this is A. And what is B? 5x plus 3y. 5x plus 3y. How we can write this now? A square minus B square. Because this A I have written here. And what is this B I have written here. Okay, A square minus B square. How we can split this? A plus B. A minus B. A plus B and A minus B. What is A? 5x. Okay, 5x minus 3y whole square minus what is B? 5x plus 3y whole square. Again you write here. What is A? 5x minus 3y. Then what will be that B? Plus 5x plus 3y. 5x plus 3y. This is whole thing as A. This whole thing as B. So that's the things A plus B. Then you have to write A minus B. Same. 5x minus 3y. A minus. Okay. A. And this one will be what? So think this as A I told. A plus B. A minus B. So minus B means how it will become minus. Suppose there is minus 5x plus 3y. Minus into this minus into this minus. In the same way minus 3y. Minus 3y. How we can split now? Plus 3y minus 3y cancel. 5x plus 5x 10x. 10x. Here what are the things is possible to cancel? 5x plus 5x minus 5x cancel. So what will be here? Minus 3y will be minus 6y. Minus 6y because both are negative. So minus 6y. After multiplying this, 10 6 are 60. Since it is minus 60 x y. Okay, so 10 6 are 60. One of the number is minus. That way I have written that minus 60 x is there and y is there. Can you able to possible to understand these two things? Okay, so based on the identity we have to follow. Otherwise, if you do in other model A minus B whole square, A plus B whole square also possible, but it will take more time. But it will take us more time. Okay, so up to this you got any doubt? So if you got any doubt, you can proceed it. Okay, one more time. Just if you not listen, again you watch second things what I explained, then it will be clear for you. Okay. So let us see in the next class up to 8th question I have finished. Okay, question number 8 in that still 9th you have 2 more questions and 10th you have one other question. So question number 9 you have room letter 1 and 2 and question number 10. So after this chapter will be over. Still have only 3 sums. Question number 9, 1 and 2 and question number 10 and question number 11 I told to cancel this. Okay, this was come under that omitted portion. That's why I asked the beginning itself to cancel that question number 11. 11th question cancel panachum beginning. Okay, so let us see in the next class.